Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to update your VW Golf Mk7 software. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on but the engine is off. You'll need to check your current software version through the infotainment system settings. This helps you confirm if an update is available and what version you are currently running. Having a clear understanding of your starting point is crucial for a smooth update experience. Let's get ready to enhance your car's performance and features. Before you begin, head over to the official Volkswagen website. You'll find the latest software updates there, specifically tailored for your Golf Mk7. Make sure to download the correct package to avoid any compatibility issues. Once downloaded, prepare your USB drive. It needs to be formatted to FAT32, which is a standard requirement for your car's infotainment system to recognize the files. A USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage is recommended for this task. Now that your USB drive is ready, extract the downloaded software files directly onto its root directory. Do not place them in any subfolders. Next, take your prepared USB drive and insert it into one of your Golf Mk7 USB ports. Your car's infotainment system should detect the update files automatically. Simply follow the clear on-screen prompts to begin the installation. This process might take some time, so please be patient and avoid turning off the ignition. After the update completes, it's important to verify that everything installed correctly. Navigate back to your infotainment system settings to confirm the new software version number. If you encounter any unexpected behavior or glitches, a factory reset of the infotainment system can often resolve these minor issues. This ensures all new settings are properly applied. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to this book and other great deals. Enjoy your newly updated VW Golf Mk7.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.